Okay, I'm feeling better. Been eating healthy and getting some sleep, lots of sleep because I wasn't feeling good. So, still working on the Transel Dynamite 150. Got her all back together. Haven't fired her up yet, but it looked like the meter was sticking. So, I thought of something. I don't think I've made a video on this yet. How to test the meter unpowered. Most meters, like this one, they run on about 1 volt, for full power. You can actually run a battery across it, but a battery usually has about 1.5 volts, and it'll peg it in the corner, but 99 out of 100 it won't kill it using a battery. However, I got this variable power supply up there, and I got it all dialed all the way down as far as it can go. That thing would go from 0 to 16 volts, but it actually won't go to 0. 0.8 volts is low as it'll go. When I go under that, it jumps down to 0. So I got it as low as it can go. The little current limited 2 amp or less power supply with the variable, and I got it down to 0.8 volts. They got the wires and leads coming in here to the meter, unpowered. And by the way, somebody on my last video said, yeah, if you sick, don't be sticking your hands in amplifiers because, that's the way you get killed. Well, if you watch the video, I'm showing you how to do it unpowered. It's not plugged in. There's the plug for this thing right there, right? It's got bleeders. It's been discharged. I haven't powered it up in a week, unpowered. And that's what I was trying to show on the relay thing, how to do it unpowered, by using a power supply. I used that power supply on the old one. But anyway, that's getting off the subject again. So I got 0.8 volts. And this is on the rubber or the insulation. I'm just going to hook it to the positive now. And you can see the meter, going in the corner as I touch the metal there. So my meter's good. I have some people ask, which side you put the meter on. Well, if you put them on backwards, the meter's just going to go in the corner toward the negative side. Then you switch the leads around for your positive and negative. But most meters, one side is going to ground anyway. And the side that goes to ground, you put the black lead on or your negative, and the other side, wherever it goes to, you can go right to the meter. Let's turn it around a little bit. You can go right to the meter screws, or since this one has that big cap on it right there, I just go to the lead of the cap, and when I touch it again, there we go on positive. So my meter's working. All that is confirmed, and that's with the amp unpowered. You can do that safely on pretty much any meter that I know of. They run on, maybe 0.6 to about, 1.5 volts max. And by the way, don't stick, 3 volts, 10 volts, 13.8 volts on the meter. You will fry it. Get you a low voltage power supply that you can dial down to 1 volt or even less, or get a battery, or if you can't do that, get yourself a voltage divider or put a resistor in there to knock down the volts. And that's going to be it for this one. I said I wasn't going to get long with it, but again, there are things you can do to test an amp safely unpowered, and that's one of them. You can test your meter by running about 1 volt DC. Don't run AC into a meter. It won't know what to do. It's going to freak out. 1 volt DC into a meter. Even if you don't have a test thing, get yourself a AA battery or something and run some leads to it, and you can use that for a meter tester unpowered. Anyway, hope that helped. And by the way, don't ask me how to fix meters and all that. I'm not good at mechanical stuff, with meter movements. Some people can. That's not me. I'm an electrical guy. All right, that's it. Bye.